Here we have little Betty. You got to go to sleep, Betty. Yay! You're a brave girl. Oh, she's so beautiful. Put you a bed and you can go bobbies. Good little face. A little opening. Tuck you in. Just do that in. Tucked in. Yeah, this is a boy. Little Bernie. Snuggle, snuggle. Leave it open so we can get.